Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, Boodle CoinsKid crew. So at the moment, XRP, it's rallied into the 10 EMA and it's coming back to this 702 fib at the moment, isn't it? It's retracing, like I said to you, it's retracing at that point, you know, really good area to put some bids on XRP is always a 702 fib, okay? It loves a 702 fib, to be honest with you. And it could actually be the support it's looking for. I'm going to show you in a minute, but if we take a look at this retracement that went through last year from this A leg low to this B leg you know, lower high, basically a dead cat bounce, look at where it ran into resistance. Okay, look at that. And at the time I said to you, we need to break the 702 fib to negate any further downside and a retracement to this low. And like I said to you at that point, if you lose this low, you put in an impulsive move to the downside, and that's exactly what we've got. We've got this huge loss of this support just there for XRP, and we put in this huge impulsive move. So again, I think that, you know, you've melted through this support without testing it as resistance. So I think that this is potentially on the cards. Okay, we've got that level of resistance around there, which is 0.51405, and then you've got that leg just there, that support, okay, that we lost this year in January, just there when we lost it in May, you know, that support we created for ourselves. We've lost that, so potentially what we've got is a retracement to these key levels of resistance down the line, you know, on the cards. So, you know, if you're sort of sitting in the wings and you're waiting for something, just wait for the break of that resistance, because if it does break that resistance, that is super bullish here from XRP, and it could negate any further downside, because potentially what we could be looking at is, you know, this is some kind of 1, this is some kind of 2, this is huge 3, and retracing into resistance before, you know, we get a final leg down there for XRP. This is an absolute possibility, you know, but at that point I would say that your correction's definitely in. Okay, most definitely, you know, you're in the floor right there for XRP, and all you've done is primarily retraced really deep to this breakout point. Okay, this bear market low that you're putting in 2020, all you've done is broke out and retraced to it. Okay, so where are the retracement levels from this high, you know, coming all the way back down? Well, the 702 fib, like I said to you, that could be the low that XRP is looking for if it's not already found a low. And to negate the fact that it's not already found a low, all we've got to do is see the reversal structure here come up and break these key levels of resistance. Break them, it's all systems go, you know. And equally, you've got this descending trend line as well. You start to come up and break that back to turn support, super bullish, you know. And, you know, if it does come up like that and rolls again, at some point it will do it. And whenever it does it, that's going to be a really good entry point for you, a confirmation statement. XRP forming a brand new impulsive wave to the upside, because this is what it does. You know, you've got this level of resistance down here, coming down. What happened? You broke it, impulsive wave. Okay, you got this level of resistance coming down, break it, impulsive wave. Okay, and you know, impulsive wave, corrective wave, impulsive wave. Do you see how it all works? Okay, so this is what we're looking for. We're looking for the retracement right now, this correction back down to this low. Not necessarily a multi-year bear market that a lot of people are calling for. I still believe you're in a correction. You're in a corrective phase of a larger sort of bull market they're in. It's horrible, it's nasty, but I don't necessarily think it's a huge 99% correction or bear market that we traditionally have here for XRP. It will be invalidated if we lose this low that's circled just there in March. If we do, then, you know, we are coming down, and like I said to you, if you start turning 786 and you start coming down all the way down to these lows and lose them, then yes, you know, this isn't an impulsive wave and this isn't a corrective wave. This is a multi-year bear market that started here. This is your A, this is your B, and this is your C. The ABC zigzag correction, and your multi-year bear market actually started there for XRP. Do you understand? And obviously it's possible. So I always show you everything I can see on the channel, but so far we are retracing. Okay, and if I said to you that you're 100% going to do that, that would be sort of perma-bear hopium, wouldn't it? You know, because no one's got that kind of crystal ball that can see that. Obviously, you know, we've got Bitcoin at historic lows right now, so the possibility is that we have bottomed. But if we've not, and we fail to break this resistance just here, then yes, I would be more biased. We've got one more leg down here for XRP, but that leg down, that has to be the low, and it could be the maximum opportunity in this bull market for XRP, because at that point you've broken out, you retrace the 702 fib down there all the way at 0.26665, and that is where your impulsive wave will begin, you know. And like I said to you, if you're looking for a confirmation statement, just wait for this level of resistance to be broken. This level of resistance be broken, impulsive wave. This level of resistance broken, impulsive wave. Do you understand? And this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm waiting for personally, you know. I'm looking for that, because when it comes, we have a party basically on the beach. But anyway, you know, if it does come, fantastic. If it doesn't come, if XRP comes down and loses that, In my opinion, it's just an opportunity to stack more XRP for the future, because this is great technology in my opinion. Okay, so it's just a little update on XRP. It's retracing at the moment. Potentially, if we do start to come up like this, we have to see these key levels of previous support that turn into resistance, back testing and turn into support once more. If we start to do that, it's super bullish for XRP going forward. Okay, so at the minute it's retracing, it's normal, it's trying to carve out some kind of bottom here for XRP, but if it does lose these lows that we put in, I would say you've got another impulsive wave to the downside left, and you're looking at around about 0.26 at a bottom basically for XRP, and that's basically it. Again, if it does get really nasty, let's take a look at the 786 fib all the way from there to there. Let's take a look at that. The 786 fib, I'll try and get this knob on for you. 786 is roughly 0.21, and like I said to you, a major warning sign is if you start to do that. If you start to do that, then the more biases you're coming down to the 1 fib, and this is a reversal wave, and you've got an impulsive wave to the downside, and then you've got an A, a B, a C zigzag, and you're down there. Okay, bare minimal 0.05 cents. So we're not getting that yet. There's warning signs in the market, obviously, because of the macro environment and things like that, but anything can happen. This is how volatile crypto is. Hope you enjoyed that little update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, and thank you for support, everybody. Take care. Bye bye.